Okay, so we're storm chasing right now.
Your source for official weather information for the Niagara Frontier in the western
weather radio. We've got the news channel
operates on
going.
a frequency of 162.55 megahertz, and WW32 operates on a frequency of 162.425 megahertz.
Anyone there?
This is the NOAA Weather Radio, KEB 90 in Buffalo.
It's really not saying.
In Little Valley. Your source for official weather information for the Niagara Frontier in the western southern tier.
It just goes
KEB
right to
98
it.
operates on a frequency of 162.55 megahertz, and WWG32 operates on a frequency of 162.425 megahertz. This is the NOAA Weather Radio, KEB 98 in Buffalo.
Oh, it's literally saying nothing. It just keeps. Oh,
your source for official weather information for the Niagara Frontier in the
lots
western
of
southern
important
tier.
stuff that could be going on right now. Okay. You can kind of see it over there. It's pretty bad actually. Okay, we've got hold on. Okay. Wait, can we put the Doppler radar up? We need this on very low volume. Okay. Now we got a Doppler radar. Okay, we're all set. Okay. Looks like we've got a storm system over there. Okay. We're doing this.
What direction is that?
Let me check. Hold on. Got to put my Midland right down right here. It is east. Wind. I mean, not wind. Wind. It's a storm that's east of us. Okay. I think I lost contact. Okay. We'll try that FRS. Okay. Got it. Anyone there? Okay, I think we lost signal. Huh, there's no storm chasing thing on this whatsoever. Okay. Okay, so we have more footage now. We're continuing. Looks like we were getting more storm system still. So. Better with a shield, huh? Oh, yeah, we gotta turn that down. Okay. Whew. That storm system's improving rapidly. Oh, gotta turn back on the Doppler radar. We've got that. Okay. We're ready for this. I knew we were gonna get bad storms. We've got, you know, an SVR, all that. Let's check the HH50. Hold on. Check this.
Southwest wind 10 to 15 knots becoming west. A chance of showers and thunderstorms.
Got it.
So the system I'm looking at is
Okay. over there. Got it. I don't think that's gonna do much.
Ellie, your source for official weather information for the Niagara frontier and the western and southern tier.
East Aurora.
98 operates
That's gonna
on a
help.
frequency of 162.55 megahertz, and WWG32 operates
Well,
on a
listen to
frequency
any
of 162.425 megahertz.
Or watch it.
This is the NOAA Weather Radio KEB
Oh my God.
in Buffalo and
You
W.
literally just said that, and now you're gonna say it again. Oh, sorry about that. Finger in the way. Looks like we are. Oh. Whoa!
That's it, but that's about 40 miles away.
Oh shoot! That's pretty far.
That's pretty far.
What about that storm system?